Hey everyone, so this is like just a little vlog I wanted to make. It was a good day. It was like really sunny out, which was so good after depressing and cold and dreary weather. And so the first clip is when we went into like this art space. You can see me just walking in front of these paintings, and then the other few clips are of like when we were on the, I guess I don't want to say like the beach, but like the sound, I would say. And you can see houses to the right, you can see the water, you can see, I'm pretty sure, like a view of the sky, all the things. And then the last two things are just pictures of me in front of the water, smiling, enjoying the weather, enjoying the vibes, the day. And sorry for my calendar alert. And that's about it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.